man, when's the last time y'all seen a square body, long bed, step side? Honestly, I can't tell you when's the last time I seen one. That's pretty neat. Yeah. I did a whole video on all these trucks they got here, all these square bodies, but I said I want to do one on this one specifically because I just thought, I mean, maybe I don't. Oh, I could use that. Man, I could use that. Shoot, America, baby, America. I could use that for the keep the damn sun up my neck. anyways, look underneath real quick. What year is this thing? 73. Oh yeah, 73. 04, 73. Does that have a dash? Oh, she's got a dash cap on. I was like, man, the dash doesn't look too bad except it's warped, but it's a dash cap. Gotta love these. I hate when this happens to these freaking steering wheels, man. Oh, I got a couple that happen. Oh man, this got floors. No bueno there. Yeah. What do we see? I just see a couple of homemade speaker boxes back there. Fender's got some issues. Custom 30. Still though, grill looks nice. I got one crack on it, I think, right here. Let's take a look underneath the hood real quick. Pretty plain Jane-ish, obviously non-air. Yeah, the sun's getting to me, man. Oh, she's rocking a tiny Sandon. It's an SD5H14. This is a small one. And she did have air conditioning. They added that extra. These are the forget what are these? Oh man, I forget the name of the guy, the company that makes those brackets. Might be more now, but Allen. Yep. Oh, right there, there at the window, man, right there. Yeah. Allen Grove. That's the company I remember that made all the yeah, all the brackets for these different engines. Ah, man. Anyways, man, cool looking truck. You know, I think like I said, rare for me to see one of these like this, and they want $38.95 for it. So there it is, man. Well, all right, this is gonna do her. Oh, in case you're wondering, it's the name of the place is old car place. You can look them up online, or also Garland Auto Recyclers. All right, man.